Alright mga dude pare, so it's been 6 months since I've had birth my BAIC B30e Dune, and right now we are going to the BAIC dealership and service center because we are going to have our first 5,000 kilometer preventive maintenance service. Let's do this! Alright mga dude pare, so I'm now headed to BAIC Santa Rosa in Laguna to have my first 5,000 kilometer preventive maintenance service checkup done. Now that's what the PMS means. It means preventive maintenance service, and it's a regular interval service that you have to do to all vehicles in order to make sure that it's in tip-top shape. Now some of you will be wondering, why am I going to BAIC Santa Rosa Laguna and not BAIC Alabang where I bought my unit? Well, for one, I'm building my house in the south, which is very close to Santa Rosa. So yes, I'd like to see what kind of service that they will do there in BAIC Santa Rosa. And at the same time, guys, you don't have to stay in the same dealership as where you bought your car. In fact, any vehicle, any brand, you can have it serviced at any authorized dealership or service center of your car. So yes, you can change dealerships para. You can go to any service center, it doesn't matter at all, as long as it is the authorized dealership of the casa. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of a quick update, a 6-month update on my vehicle. My B30e Dune has logged in 5,736 kilometers. Now I'm supposed to have the first 5,000 kilometer PMS done, well, at 5,000 kilometers, but it just so happened that I had a long drive, a trip to Subic. I took my kids to Asaya Subic Beach Resort, so before I hit the 5,000 kilometer mark, and that's why it's a little bit over. Now that's also not an issue, but well, the car will give you a prompt, no? It will give you a prompt that yes, you're due for service already. But it's not an issue. It's not like the B30 will stop and it will not drive anymore. It's not like that, pare. You can exceed by a little bit over the 5,000 kilometer mark when you go for service. So it's just so happened that I just had my schedule done for this day. Now another quick update. So far in the 6 months I've been driving this vehicle, pare, I am so happy with it. It is so quiet, it is so comfortable. The air conditioning is so cold, and I love the ventilated seats of the BAIC B30 4x4. Another thing is, yeah, the fuel efficiency, pare, it has improved a lot. Heavy city drives, I'm still doing around 13 kilometers per liter in heavy city traffic, mind you, but I can go up to as much as 18 kilometers per liter on the highway, and that's in comfort mode, and I am not doing a fuel efficiency run. Now, if there's one issue that I have with my B30e Dune, it's the fact that it still doesn't get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Well, we don't have that yet. Now, I know that the newer B30e Dune units that are being released are now coming with built-in Apple CarPlay, but still no Android Auto. And the thing is, BAIC Philippines sent me a dongle which connects to the USB charge port. And yeah, it's supposed to give me wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. The thing is, that dongle, yeah, it kind of cuts out regularly, especially when I hit some lubak, you know, some bumps or lubak here and there. So yes, and my Android Auto, you know, signal will cut off, and that's kind of a hassle. But the good thing there is we have built-in CarBit Link, and I've grown to love CarBit Link in this vehicle. I mean, it does phone mirroring, and you can control your phone from the big screen that we have here. So yeah, I've come to get to love it. I'm used to it already, and I use CarBit Link a lot more. But if BAIC Philippines will give me built-in Android Auto in the future, why not, guys? I mean, even if I have to pay for it, as long as it is reasonable, why not, pare? I'll definitely go for that. Now, I'm pretty sure some of you are wondering why I need to go through regular PMS with the B30e Dune, this being a hybrid electric vehicle. Well, as the name itself says, hybrid means that we still have a gasoline engine here. In fact, we have a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine, which of course runs on gasoline, and it also has engine oil, it still has oil filters, it still has air filters and stuff like that. So we still need to go through regular PMS or preventive maintenance service for the BAIC B30e Dune, unlike, let's say, full electric vehicles where you don't have to do it every 5,000 kilometers. You only have to do it once a year just to check maybe the suspension components and to check the single speed transmission of that electric vehicle. Now, this being a hybrid electric vehicle, pare, we all know it has a lot of sensors. It has a lot of digital stuff inside. You know, everything is computerized already with these newer cars. So it is very important that you have your preventive maintenance service done at the accredited service center or dealership of your vehicle. Okay, it's not just BAIC, it's actually all brands nowadays, even our beloved Japanese mainstream brands. There's just so much technology going on with these vehicles that it's kind of hard to have it serviced at your neighborhood shop, all right, because we don't really know if they have the proper tools and the training and the equipment in order to properly service your vehicle. So my recommendation is just go to the dealership and go to the service center there and make sure that your vehicle gets the best and top-notch quality service that it deserves. Alright guys, so yes, we've parked and we have now arrived at BAIC Sta Rosa Laguna. We are going inside just to get registered for our first 5,000 kilometer service. So tignan natin. Let's go inside. Ayan na. BAIC Sta Rosa. Yes, let's go. Alright. So dito muna tayo sa kanilang showroom. Mamaya mag-showroom tour din tayo mga guys, ha. Alright. Morning. Morning. Hello, hello. Saan ang ating service reception?
Dito po, sir.
Doon po. Alright. Let's go mga dude pare. Alright mga dude pare. So we're here na at the service reception of BAIC Sta Rosa Laguna. Kasama natin si Sir Peter, our service advisor. Sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, sir, what will be done to my BAIC B30e Dune for the first 5,000 kilometer PMS?
So in the first 5,000, sir, we're gonna perform regular PMS.
Okay.
We're gonna replace the engine oil, which is 0W20.
Okay.
And then oil filter and brake
Okay.
cleaner po.
So, change oil filter, and then brake cleaner.
Yes, correct.
And how long will this process take?
It will take around 40 minutes to 1 hour.
40 minutes to 1 hour.
Yes.
Wow, that is quick. So I can wait for it
Yes po.
while it's being done. That is fantastic. You know guys, that's one of the biggest advantages of going with the BAIC B30e Dune. Since they are relatively new in the Philippines, we don't really have too much cars being serviced at this time because it's a very new vehicle. So that means you don't really have to wait that long in line, and you can actually wait for 40 minutes to 1 hour. So while we're waiting, let's do a quick showroom and service center tour of BAIC Sta Rosa Laguna. Alright mga dude pare, so my first 5,000 kilometer PMS checkup is done. So if you want to have your BAIC vehicle serviced here at BAIC Sta Rosa Laguna, just look for the beautiful and handsome after-sales crew of BAIC Sta Rosa. Shout out to them mga dudes!
Alright mga dude pare, so nandito na tayo sa part na medyo masakit, bayaran na. Okay, so it just took around 40 minutes just to do the actual process. It's very quick. And the people here at BAIC Santa Rosa, they're very friendly, they're very helpful and supportive. But ito na nga, we are at the bill portion. So, how much does my first 5,000 kilometer PMS cost? It costs, 7,653 pesos. And that's because we use fully synthetic oil in my BAIC B30e Dune. Syempre, only the best for my baby bird. Now, once you're done with the PMS service, you'll see that here's a counter, the service counter. We have a QR code there where you can do a survey, a feedback form. So just scan this. So you just scan that there and just click on the link, and it will take you to a survey form that goes straight to BAIC Philippines. So you can give your feedback, whether positive, negative, and it will go straight to BAIC Auto Philippines. So that's good. I have it here now. There guys, there you go. After sales customer satisfaction questionnaire. Yeah, so I'm just gonna fill this out. Definitely 2 thumbs up for the service here at BAIC Santa Rosa Laguna. So, mga dude pare, that wraps up my first 5,000 kilometer preventive maintenance service video. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. And mga dudes, I will see you again in my next video. Bye-bye!